welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make wraps in an Instapot. Sort of like on the Asian side. So let's get started. Really simple. Okay, we will start with shredded cabbage. This is the bag of shredded cabbage. I usually use it for coleslaw. A cup of carrots. And then we're going to add a little bit of Asian sauce. This will all be in my description, so you don't have to worry. I have all the ounces and what kind of sauce it is, and so there we go with soy sauce, sesame oil, some flour. Okay, let's stir this all up. Some water. Just stirring it up. Then we're going to add some garlic. That looks beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to top it with chicken thighs. Okay, so we'll salt this up. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands. I'll be back. Okay, wash my hands, and now I'm gonna add about a cup of beef broth. On the lid. We're going to close the vent. I put on pressure cook. I'm going to put it on for 5 minutes. And there we go. Now it'll say on. And that means it's starting to pressurize. And after it pressurizes, it'll cook for 5 minutes. Okay, and then after that, we're going to let it depressurize on its own. We're going to let it in here for 15 minutes. It'll have an L on it, and it'll start counting 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, up to 15 minutes, and then you can depressurize it the rest of the way with your vent, and be ready and delicious. Okay, so it's L, and I think it's at 20. Yeah, it's at 19. I was supposed to let it go for 15, but half the time I forget, and I did forget, so it got to 19, but that's okay. I am going to, it probably vented itself. Yeah, it did. See, there's nothing left, so I can take the lid off. The lid will not come off unless this is vented properly. There we go. Okay, let's stir this up. I do actually have utensils to rip the chicken apart. I can't seem to find them. We're just good old-fashioned forks. So I can tear this apart. Okay. Stir this up. Okay. So I am going to jump some of this juice off. I put in extra juice only because I was worried it would stick. So I'm going to dump some of this. See how much juice is on there? I'm going to dump some of that off. Okay, see it now? Put some more sauce on it. I'll put the recipe in the description. I'm going to squirt a little extra, get a bit of a kick. I'm flavoring it to my taste. Maybe it was okay. So stir it up. And shred all the meat up. Okay. Almost ready to go into the wrap. Add some more salt. Form your wrap. Okay, so see. That look delicious. Okay. Now you put stuff on it, you put cheese on it, you put sour cream on it. I'm just going to put some yum yum sauce on it. Kick it up a bit. You just wrap it like that. Yum. Thanks for stopping by. So good. Thanks for stopping by. Crazy Good Food. Please subscribe, hit the like, and ring the bell. We're going to get notification for all my recipes. Thanks for stopping by.